Have you ever wondered what Mozart songs sound like in 6/7? No? Well, me neither. Here is what a 6/7 time signature sounds like. Here is a list of things I would rather listen to than this abomination. And now, this is the sound of Mozart in 6/7. You might be wondering, why does this sound the exact same? To reach an authentic 6/7 feel, I would have to manually adjust every note to match the unresolved feel of a 6/7 rhythm. This would mean recreating songs from someone I don't care about in a time signature that will make me crave crippling tinnitus. In other words, I cannot be asked to brain rotify Mozart.